What's up, folks? It's Darkskater7, and today I'm going to make a really short video. I had to get a case and also another vinyl cover for my phone, and I got it from DBrand. DBrand is one of the leading companies that I trust, and I get all of my vinyl skins from DBrand. I'll make sure I leave a link in the description so you can go ahead and go to that site and check that out. They have like iPhone, Android, PlayStation, all kind of stuff. You name it, they got it. So we'll go ahead and get the package here. I'll go ahead and use my trusty Doxy knife. Flip that out like a boss. All right, stick that to the side. Let's see what we have in the box. Comes in a really nice case here, or box, all black. Let's see. Oh, it comes with another little terry cloth that you can use for your screen. Got a nice little design on there. I'm not sure if you can really see that, but it's really cool. There you go, you can kind of see it. Looks nice. Definitely gonna keep that. And they always come with like their regular little instructions. They have a how-to at the bottom, link there, purchase, delivered, install. And then they have their social links, Twitter, looks like Reddit, Discord, Instagram, and then regular DBrand. Says it's not a culture, or it's not a product, it's a culture. I'm not sure if you can see that. Anyway, let's open this up. They also have a back cover for my phone. This is also a vinyl cover here. And then here's the case. Pop it out. Looks like it's on like, oh, it's like on a little mount or something. So on the inside here, they have that brand again, like a little robotic, kind of like a little symbol along with their branding. Looks really nice. And since I'm using my phone to record this right now, I can't really do anything, but the build quality feels like really nice, high quality plastic. I see on the side here they have these little fins, and then here they have the ports where you press your buttons. So you have your power button and then your up and down rockers. The fins are also on the other side, as you can see. And sorry for my voice, I'm sick right now, but I figured I can do something constructive while I was at home from work. And on the back there, they have grip. Now, it seems like you can probably put something on here, maybe like a cover or some type of a vinyl cover on the back, which would be awesome. And maybe I can possibly use that one that came with it to put on the back of here. That would be nice. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna look and see if they have anything for like, I don't think they have anything for Switch, possibly. But I know that they have one for the Steam Deck. I did buy that one, and it should be on the way. And I have one for my PlayStation, and got it from my old Xbox. Yeah, I've only bought from DBrand pretty much. That's like the only company I really buy from. They have some really great stuff, as you can see. But again, DBrand, I'll make sure that I put the link in the description for you guys so you can see it. Check out the site. They have pretty much anything you could think of for whatever product that you want to buy a vinyl cover for. And there it is. Really classy place. I mean, this box is so nice, I'm gonna keep it. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Always like, subscribe, leave me a comment down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Darkskater out. Peace.